Nature's healing secret, harnessing the power of herbs for prostate health. The prostate, an essential male gland. The prostate is a small, walnut-sized gland found in the male reproductive system, located just below the bladder and surrounding the urethra. Its primary function is to produce seminal fluid, a vital component of semen that nourishes and transports sperm during ejaculation. As men age, the prostate can undergo changes, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or, in some cases, prostate cancer. BPH can lead to urinary symptoms like frequent urination and difficulty starting or stopping the flow. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men, typically developing slowly and often without symptoms in its early stages. Early detection through regular screenings, including the prostate-specific antigen (PSA) test and digital rectal exams, is crucial for effective treatment. Treatment options for prostate cancer vary, from active surveillance for low-risk cases to surgery, radiation therapy, and hormonal therapy for more advanced forms. Prostate health is a vital aspect of men's overall well-being, making awareness and regular checkups essential in maintaining a high quality of life. Prostate cancer, a prevalent male malignancy, often develops without noticeable symptoms in its early stages. Annual screenings, including PSA tests and digital rectal exams, are essential for early detection. Risk factors include age, genetics, and family history. Risk factors include age, genetics, and family history. Treatment options range from active surveillance for slow-growing tumors to surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy for advanced cases. Prostate cancer awareness campaigns, such as Blue November, aim to educate men about risk factors, symptoms, and the importance of regular checkups, ultimately saving lives through early intervention. The role herbal medicinal benefit for prostate gland. Herbal remedies have been explored for their potential role in promoting prostate health and addressing issues related to the prostate gland, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. While research is ongoing, here are some of the potential roles and benefits of herbal medicines for the prostate gland. Symptom relief for BPH. Herbal remedies like saw palmetto, pygeum, and stinging nettle have been studied for their ability to alleviate the urinary symptoms associated with BPH. They may help reduce urinary frequency, urgency, and incomplete bladder emptying. Anti-inflammatory effects. Many herbs used for prostate health, including turmeric, ginger, and green tea, possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation may contribute to prostate issues, and these herbs may help reduce inflammation. Anti-androgenic effects. Some herbal compounds, such as those found in African plum, Prunus africana, are believed to have anti-androgenic effects, which means they can reduce the impact of male hormones on the prostate. This can be beneficial for conditions like BPH. Antioxidant protection. Herbs rich in antioxidants, like green tea and pomegranate, may help protect prostate cells from oxidative damage. Antioxidants can neutralize harmful free radicals that contribute to cell damage and cancer development. Potential cancer prevention. Some herbs, including green tea, turmeric, garlic, and pomegranate, are under investigation for their potential to reduce the risk of prostate cancer. These herbs contain compounds that may inhibit cancer cell growth. Hormonal balance. Herbs and natural compounds, such as selenium and zinc, play a role in maintaining hormonal balance in the body, which is essential for prostate health. Phytoestrogen effects. Red clover contains phytoestrogens, which may help manage symptoms of BPH by interacting with hormone receptors. Overall prostate support. Herbs like pumpkin seed and basil may provide overall support for prostate health by offering essential nutrients and beneficial compounds. Symptom management for prostate cancer. In some cases, herbal remedies may help manage symptoms associated with prostate cancer, such as pain and discomfort. Complementary therapy. Herbal remedies can complement conventional medical treatments for prostate issues, providing additional support and potentially reducing the side effects of medications. Saw palmetto, Serenoa rapon. Saw palmetto is one of the most commonly used herbal remedies for benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate gland that can lead to urinary symptoms. Some studies suggest that saw palmetto extract may help reduce urinary symptoms associated with BPH, such as frequent urination and incomplete emptying of the bladder. Pygeum, Prunus africanum. Pygeum is another herbal remedy often used for BPH. It is believed to have anti-inflammatory and anti-androgenic, reduces the effects of male hormones, properties. Some research has shown that pygeum extract may help alleviate BPH symptoms. Stinging nettle, Urtica dioica. Stinging nettle root extract has been studied for its potential to reduce symptoms of BPH. It may help by inhibiting the growth of prostate cells and reducing inflammation. Pumpkin seed, Cucurbita pepo. Pumpkin seed oil and pumpkin seed extract have been suggested as a natural remedy for prostate health. Some studies have indicated that they may help reduce urinary symptoms associated with BPH. African plum, Prunus africana. African plum bark extract has been used traditionally in Africa for prostate health. It is thought to have anti-inflammatory and anti-androgenic effects. Some studies have shown potential benefits for BPH. Green tea, Camellia sinensis. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, which may have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Some research suggests that regular consumption of green tea may be associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Turmeric, Curcuma longa. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. While research is ongoing, there is some evidence that curcumin may have a protective effect against prostate cancer. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on narcotic plants in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos. Please like, share and subscribe.